So a method isn't required to return anything, nor is it required to take anything in. But this is an example of a method that does both. And when it takes something in, we have to provide what are called parameters. A parameter is basically it looks just like a variable. You think of it like a local variable definition, just like what we have right here with decimal result equals 0. The difference is that the value of this variable is not calculated by the method itself. Instead, the value of this variable is calculated by whoever decides to invoke it. So what we can do here is, because this method requires a string as a parameter, we have to fill that string up with an argument whenever we invoke the method. We can fill the string parameter with any argument that turns into a string. In this case, I'm using string literals. We talked quite a bit about what literals are in week 2, but just to recap, I'm using a literal expression in C# that creates a value that is a string. And because this value is a string, we can fill it, or we can fill this parameter with that value. Okay, so I don't really expect people to to be able to go out and write methods left and right now. There are a lot of concerns about methods that we haven't talked quite about yet that are very important when working with creating applications that use them.